All right, we are officially at the launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mr. Bean, did you plug it in? You did plug it in? Seriously? Okay. All right, let's just fire this puppy up, see what we got. This is Sonny's machine. Yeah, okay. All right, did you guys add the Scott magic to it already? I'm not feeling the magic. Try it again. Try it again. Singer repairman. Oh, okay. Hold on a second. All right, we're gonna add the magic now. All right. Yeah, that makes a difference. Yeah, great job, Mr. Bean. Great job. Great job. Moving faster than you, Mr. Bean. Come on, come on, come on! I thought you guys put 2 quarters in there. You don't have another quarter, do you? No. Okay. All right. Well, at any rate, Sonny, this is your 404. And she's about ready to get premiered. Just about. But I wanted to show you a little bit of the power. Quite a bit of power, actually. I don't think most people can sew that fast. I doubt it. Yeah. At any rate, Craig, great find for Sonny. Yeah, it is. So keep watch. And thanks again for making that donation for the History Museum. You're still heroes for history, for goodness sakes. It never wears out. Never wears out. Yeah, okay. See ya.